we came here this morning,
10 o'clock.
to do a little environmental performance.
It's about how our environment has changed, about littering and all that good stuff, which isn't good, but you know.
And yeah, this is totally original, so no script. We all made this up today.
6
With our own
hours.
So hard, laborious work.
Once there was a seed of a beech tree nestled deep in the earth. The rain came pitter-pattering down and seeped into the earth, making the soil wet. When the sun emerged, the rays beamed down and warmth spread into the soil. The seed began to grow. The shoots rose up and reached for the sun. This happened over many years until the beech tree became solid and strong. The beech tree remained undisturbed for a long time. It became the home of many creatures. Viviparous lizards and hedgehogs hid in its shade. Starlings rested in its branches. And bats flitted by and hunted the flying insects that lived there, but avoided the bees that buzzed by. The beech tree had been there such a long time that the people had forgotten how beautiful it was. The people who lived there hung out and played and ate food. And then one day, a person dropped a crisp packet. And then soon everyone started to do it, until the whole area was covered in litter.
I don't really see what the fuss is about. I mean, it's only one crisp packet.
How much harm can it do anyway?
What can I do about it? What can I do about it? Surely the council will clean it up all anyway.
It's the animals' fault for getting stuck in the first place.
This is the amount of litter collected from one day in the wildlife area.
Plus 2 ironing boards,
A bike
a shopping trolley,
and this much rubbish.
The area was such a mess, and the beech tree became neglected. Some developers noticed this and they decided it needed to be put to what they thought would be a better use.
This place doesn't seem like it's cared for.
Nah, we should build some houses.
Yeah, maybe a road running through there.
Maybe a Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
The diggers and the chainsaws came in, and the beech tree was felled. The ground became hard, black tarmac, and the foundations of houses were erected. But not everything had disappeared.
Hello there, I'm a bee. You might know me for my honey, but my flowers keep disappearing because of pesticides. They're meant to kill some insects, stop eating crops, but they destroy my flowers and my friends, and they affect my navigation skills a lot. Oi! Do you want to help me? I can tell you how. To help us bees, you can find seeds from organic sources and grow them in your gardens and the roadside. They'll be pesticide free and then there'll be honey for everyone.
Siri, where's the nearest flower?
I don't know that one. Would you like me to search it on the web?
Do I look like a spider?
I'm a pipistrelle bat, and the truth is, I'm scared. I'm scared of the big lights and the ear-splitting thunder of the cars speeding without a care. I'm small, so everything seems so much bigger to me. I feel like a flea on a bear. I've heard some things about trees getting cut down near me, and I'm scared that if they get cut down, then my home will be destroyed. Cats. Please keep your cats inside, because they can come outside and they could kill me. They could rip out my wings. You want to help me, don't you?
I am a hedgehog. Hibernation, it's hard. For example, if you saw someone chop down a hedge, that's one less place for me to hide. If you could just plant some hedges or even give me some food, just so you know, chicken cat biscuits are by far my favourite. But definitely no milk. I'm lactose intolerant. It'll make me sick. Also, I'm going to be honest, I don't know what the whole Sonic thing is about, but compared to a car, I'm the slowest creature on Earth. But anyway, I need to go. It's a Monday, so today's the day that the cat biscuit lady sometimes leaves out lunch, if she remembers. I am a viviparous lizard, which means I don't lay eggs. I give birth to live babies. You might know me as a common lizard, but if my habitat gets destroyed, me and all lizards like me won't be common anymore. I'm scared of buildings being built where I live, because I won't have anywhere to bask in the sun. To warm my cold-blooded muscles for hunting. Please keep the grass nice and long, because it's my supermarket. The best spiders and the tastiest snails live there, so I won't have any lunch if it's all gone. And I don't want to move. I want to stay in the same place.
Hi, I'm a starling, and I've just found out I'm on a special list, but it's not a very good list. It means I'm endangered, and that means there's not many of us left. Not many people like me. Not many people like me, but if you look very carefully, you'll see how beautiful I am. I have iridescent feathers, glowy and shiny, and I'm quite proud of them. I'm not a fussy eater. I'll eat almost anything, and so will my friends I fly with.
Here you go.
Thanks. Flying is tiring. Trees are handy to rest in, but there are not many of them. left. If you put up a nest box, I hope you don't mind, but we are a bit noisy, there's a great place for me and my family to rest. But being noisy, that's just what makes us fun. We'll eat your leftover dinner scraps. You don't even have to buy some special food.
Do your bit to help the community. Pick up some bags or some litter. It helps. Any bit.
Anything which saves the environment or any forms of animal is useful.
It's easy. It cleans up your neighbourhood.
And if you're looking for any more information, then here's our page. Orchard Park Wildlife Project.
And then maybe one day